Decided to show you a new software I just come up today called NotchNook. If you have a MacBook with a notch, uh, it's magic. So just like Dynamic Island on the iPhone, it's Dynamic Island on the MacBook. It's super smooth and responsive. So let's dive into it. So I can show you like this. This is the I can play a song and it will show. I can pause from here. I can forward it. I can go back. I can click. This is the calendar. There is a tray as well, so we can click. There's a file tray. We can move. We can see new file thing. So we can delete it, or we can just directly drag, drag and drop and add drop. So there is a mirror also, and in the setting there is a lot of setting. So general, the haptics, it gives a haptic feedback. I don't like, so I disable it. And lock while typing, any typing you are doing, or gesture mode, this slowly if it is because of the gesture mode. And uh, live activity, if you want live activity, so it will show. If you not select this, the song will not be shown here. Okay, so we have a customization option like media player shortcut. We have shortcut also. So this, I don't have any shortcuts right now, so I just disable it. And I have calendar, media player, shortcut, and a mirror also. So in the media player, it supports of three as of now: YouTube, Apple Music, and Spotify. So in the tray, this is a tray we can use for drag and drop file easy access. There is custom activities also. There's a media, file tray, calendar, and if a new update comes, so if file tray is 0 or 1, so it will show a media option. This is the very very much good. Yes, we can do it wave. This is my favorite one. And we have vibrating circle also. The GIF is, I like the GIF one. So that's everything here. So you can download it. You can download it through searching NotchNook. And first website, it's a paid website, so it's a paid version of software. Well, so it's much fun using it. So you can give it a try to download and just play with it. It's very good. So thanks for watching, guys.